Ever wondered where you can participate in lively discussions about current events, express your opinions, and share insights with like-minded individuals? Welcome to Free Republic. This is a unique space where you can dive into a plethora of topics, from religious activities to political debates, and from climate change to media bias. Engage in robust conversations about the Supreme Court decisions, taxation policies, or even participate in a book club with fellow Free Republic users. The best part? You're part of an active community, learning, sharing, and shaping thoughts on matters that affect us all. Free Republic offers an engaging platform for you to voice out your thoughts and learn from others. But don't just take our word for it. Hear from our users about their experiences on Free Republic. Listen to John, a devout member of our community. He cherishes the prayer request feature, a unique space where he can both offer and receive support in times of need. And then there's Maria, an ardent advocate for the unborn. She values our pro-life discussions where she can voice her beliefs and engage in meaningful dialogue. Meet Robert, a climate change skeptic who appreciates the open forum for debate on global warming. He enjoys the opportunity to challenge mainstream narratives and broaden his understanding through different perspectives. And who could forget about Linda? She's deeply concerned about media bias and gov abuse. On Free Republic, she finds a platform that echoes her worries and fosters discussions on these crucial issues. Finally, let's not forget about our Freeper Book Club, a favorite of Sarah's. A fervent reader, she relishes the chance to delve into thought-provoking literature with like-minded individuals. As you can see, Free Republic is not just a website, but a community of engaged and informed citizens. Free Republic relies on the support of its users to keep this vibrant community alive and thriving. You see, your contribution of $10 or more can make a significant difference. It helps us maintain the platform's functionality, enhance its features, and ensure its continuous availability. Your donation supports the advancement of discussions, debates, and the sharing of various perspectives. It sustains a community that values freedom of speech and upholds the importance of informed discourse. Donate $10 today and help us continue to provide a platform for lively discussions, informed debates, and a community that values your voice.